Okay, the first thing we need to do is take things apart, starting with the locking hubs. Next comes the hub and drum assembly. Now these will need to be separated because we want to reuse the hub but not the drum. Next, remove the 6 bolts holding the backing plate on and remove the whole brake assembly and put it in the swap meet pile. While you're cleaning things up, make sure you take the time to look for any worn parts because now is the time to replace them. All right, after some much needed cleanup, you can start putting things back together. So on goes the caliper bracket using the supplied spindle bolts, followed by the old hub with newly packed bearings, and then the locking hub assembly. Next comes that massive rotor, and finally the new caliper and the brake hose. And that's it. That's how simple it is to put disc brakes on the front of an old classic Jeep. Pretty awesome, huh? Yeah. Now, a couple of things. While you're deep in here, now's the time to check your steering linkage, your drag links, your tie rod ends. If they're bad, replace them. If your U-joints are bad, replace them. Change the differential fluid. Fix any leaks because you know you're going to need to. Another thing. Disc brakes work great if they're power assisted. Now remember, this Jeep came with the powered brake option, but that old booster's shot and so was the master cylinder. So we're going to replace it with that new one from Jeepster man so we can get the full benefit out of those disc brakes.